Hey guys, we're over here on the pathway behind the smokehouse. We're headed towards the new ride that's going to be coming up next year. The hashtag for it is Ride the Tide. Let's get you an update on what's going on. Right now the Food and Wine Festival is taking place, so they got that going on. As you can see here, we're in the Italy area right there. So that's one of the things they have here. And over here, of course, they have the attraction. So let's go over here, take a little gander over the wall and see what's happening today, shall we? Let's see what they got today. Okay, looks pretty good. Let's zoom in a little bit here.